Tatting with Beads by Rosemary Peel, Tatting with Beads 2 by Rosemary Peel, is an awesome book. I love Rosemary Peel's designs. I also love her clear instructions and her great diagrams. I'm going to open this up for you so you can see it. On the front two covers is all of the items made inside the book. We have jewelry, pins, necklaces. We have card motifs. Here's just an example even on the cover page of her great diagrams. The stitch definition is awesome and bead placement is very clear. As a girl who likes diagrams, I love the ones that Rosemary Peel uses. So here, just a fine example is a motif and then close-up of some of the sub parts of that larger motif. And then on the back cover, I'll show you again, more necklaces. Tatted jewelry is super in style right now, so this provides a lot of designs for that. A whole discussion on how to measure picots. Again, diagrams of your tatting shuttle and exactly how to do things. And then I love these window dream catchers to go on your window. So, Tatting with Beads 2 by Rosemary Peel. We have about 4 of these in stock, so you probably should get in fast.